Hornsea 3, located off the coast of Norfolk near Norwich, is one of the largest offshore wind farms in the world. With a massive capacity of 2.4 GW, it's set to power over 2 million homes once fully operational. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Ørsted has decided to install a Tesla battery storage system at the onshore conversion station in Swardeston, Norfolk. The installation site is cleverly chosen to minimize disruptions for local residents and businesses. By placing the battery system at the same site as the onshore conversion station, Orsted ensures a seamless integration with the existing infrastructure. Plus, it's a huge step forward in reducing energy price volatility and stabilizing the UK's energy supply. Here's a quote from Duncan Clark, the head of Orsted UK and Ireland. "Our 12 operational offshore wind farms in the UK are already providing a significant amount of clean energy to the grid. This battery will help ensure that renewable energy is utilized in the best possible way, storing it when demand is low and releasing it back into the system when it's really needed." What a fantastic vision. Now, let's talk about the broader implications. This project will be one of the largest battery storage systems in Europe once completed in 2026. It represents a major leap towards sustainable energy solutions, showcasing how innovative technology can work hand in hand with renewable energy sources to create a more resilient and efficient power grid.